So, in installment liquidation of partnership, let us all remember na there are two schedules or two tools that are very helpful for us accountants in ensuring that uh, no overpayment to partners' interest or capital will be made in the middle of installment liquidation process. Kasi nga 'di ba sa installment liquidation, uh, allowed naman or pinapayagan naman or pwede naman tayong magpamigay ng cash sa partners. Yun nga lang, ang tanong, up to how much? How much yung safe na pwede nating ipamigay? So, dito pumapasok yung dalawang tools na ito na nakikita nyo sa screen nyo na pwede nating gamitin or makakatulong sa atin to ensure na um, conservative approach yung magagamit natin or sa pag-liquidate ng partnership. Una nga dyan is yung safe payment schedule and second is yung cash priority program. So, una muna natin i-discuss yung safe payment schedule. So, ano nga ba ang safe payment schedule? It answers the question, how much can be safely paid? So, magkano yung safe? Magkano yung conservative? O halimbawa, tayo, si partnership A and B. Nag-decide tayo mag-liquidate. O since tingi-tingi ang pagbebenta ng assets and tingi-tingi din ang pagbabayad ng liabilities, at gusto ko na magkaroon ng cash distribution in the middle of liquidation process, magkano yung safe? So, ito yung schedule na ipiprepare natin. Ito yung computation kung paano natin i-determine kung how much yung cash na yon na pwedeng i-distribute. Okay, and there are other principles that should be remembered for safe payment schedule. And these are, first, unsold non-cash assets are treated as loss. Sabi ko nga, conservative approach. Iti-treat natin yung kung ano man yung non-cash assets natin na hindi pa nabebenta as losses agad. Parang, at carrying amount, kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng carrying amount, kung ano yung book value niya sa libro, iti-treat natin siya as loss agad. And then, second principle is yung expected liquidation costs or kung ano man yung mga liabilities na unrecorded or that may arise in the middle of liquidation process ay ititreat din as losses. Again, naituro ko na ito before na ito ang pagtitreat as losses doon sa liquidation expenses expected or potential liquidation cost ay ito ay shortcut lamang yung pag-treat sa kanya as losses. Shortcut lamang siya kasi kung iti-treat natin siya as normal expense transaction, nominal account expense, i-close mo din siya sa capital account, which is ita-charge natin siya sa partner's capital. Okay? So, to shorten the agony, i-treat mo na lang din siya as loss. And then, another principle is, so yun na nga, ibig sabihin pala, sa installment liquidation, dalawang klase ng losses, yung ating nakukompute. Una, dyan ay yung magkano yung maximum loss possible. Yung maximum loss possible, yan yung sum nung carrying amount or book value ng non-cash asset plus yung future or anticipated liquidation cost. Yun yung maximum loss possible. And then another kind of loss is yung actual loss on realization. Yan yung loss na based sa actual assets sold or actual expenses paid, liquidation expenses paid. So, yun yung dalawang losses na nakukompute natin dito sa schedule of safe payment schedule. So, to show para ma-practice natin, kuha tayo ng isang problem. So, W, X, and Y are partners sharing a profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3 respectively. The condensed balance sheet of Heidi Partnership as of December 31, 2005 is cash of 50,000, other assets of 130,000, a total assets of 180,000, credit balances, liabilities, W capital 40,000, liabilities 40,000 din to. Okay. And then W capital 60,000. And then X capital is 40,000. And then Y capital is 40,000. Nagka-typo error ako. Sorry. A total of credit balance ng 180,000. Okay? Assume instead that the partnership is dissolved and liquidated by installments, and the first realization of 40,000 cash is on the sale of other assets with a book value of 80,000. After payment of liabilities, how will the available cash be distributed to partners W, X, and Y? Okay, so bukas tayo ng Excel. Schedule, safe payment schedule. Heidi Partnership. Format ko lang. And then, anong date? December 31. Okay, so gawa tayo ng column for partners W, Y, and Z, and then total. So, sa paggawa ng safe payment schedule, kunin muna natin yung capital balances nila before. So, ito ang pag-compute kung magkano ba ang cash na pwedeng i-distribute sa partners ng isang partnership na nag-undergo ng installment liquidation. So, kunin muna natin yung capital balances before liquidation. W is 60. Then, Y and Z, X and Y is 40 and 40. X and Y pala to. Sorry. 40,000. So, a total of kano? 140,000. And then, anong sunod na step? Loss, distribution ng loss doon sa sale of asset. So, magkano ang loss? Computein mo, di ba kanina sa discussion natin, dalawa yung losses na nakukompute sa safe payment schedule. Una yung actual loss realization and the maximum loss possible or yung loss mo sa unsold asset plus yung anticipated liquidation expenses. So, actual loss muna. Yung actual loss is Yung actual loss on realization is yun yung loss sa actual sale of asset. Ano pa yung actual sale of asset dyan? First realization, cash. So, nabenta daw yung other asset with book value of 80 sa halagang 40,000. So, kung ang book value ay 80 at nabenta mo ng 40, may loss ka na 40,000. So, yung 40,000 mo, i-allocate mo siya based sa profit and loss ratio ng partners. Wala namang given na actual liquidation cost, di ba? So, zero siya. Remember, itong actual loss on realization is actual. Yan ay combination of actual liquidation cost paid plus actual sale or loss on actual sale. Loss on actual sale of asset, of non-cash asset or NCA. So, ang actual liquidation ay 0. Ang loss on actual sale ay 40. 80 minus 40 is equals to 40,000. So, 40,000 ang i-distribute natin sa partnership. Okay. Through P&L. Ang P&L ratio 433. 433. So, dapat 40,000 to. So, para ano ang share ni W? 40,000 times 4 over 4 plus 3 plus 3 is 10. Yan. Itong si X, 40,000 times 3 over 10. Ganun din si Y, 40,000 times 3 over 10. A total of 40,000. Okay, so delete ko na to. Balances. Nag-sharp. Balances is minus. Dapat pala i-negative sign ko sila para magandang tingnan sa presentation. Negative 16. Yan. So, ibahin ko rin yung formula nito. Negative 12, negative 12. Okay. And then, ano pa yung another loss? Loss on unsold. Unsold NCA. Or yan yung maximum loss. Yung sinabi ko kanina na MLAC. MLAC, hindi pala MLAC. Maximum loss possible. Okay. Loss on unsold NCA. Magkano yung unsold NCA? Magkano natira? 130,000 other assets minus carrying amount ng nabenta na 80. So, 130 minus 80. 130 minus 80. Ito yung natitira. 50,000. Yan yung carrying amount ng assets na hindi pa nabebenta. 50,000. Wala din namang anticipated or potential liquidation cost. Kasi supposedly yun yung sum nun, yun yung loss on unsold NCA. Carrying amount amount of non-cash asset, carrying amount or book value, or and potential liquidation cost or unrecorded liabilities. Liab. So, itong dalawa na to, yun yung maximum loss kanina or yung loss on unsold NCA. So, this time, wala namang potential or an unrecorded liability sa problem na to. So, 50,000 lang. 50,000 i-allocate by P&L ratio times 4/10. 50,000 na mali ang formula. Okay. Then 50,000 times 3/10. Ganon din si Y, a total of 50,000. Okay. So, nakuha na natin yung balance. So, 44 minus 20,000 para kay W, 24,000. So, yan na po yung ating safe payment. Ito na yung magkano yung cash na pwede nating bayad na safe or conservative without compromising yung pagbabayad natin sa liabilities niya and other future liquidation costs or obligations. So, ito na yung cash for distribution. A total of 50,000. 24,000 for W, 13,000 for partner X, 13,000 for partner Y. Okay? So, that's it. Na-apply naman natin ang principle. Diba? Na dapat yung unsold treated as loss. So, here's the answer, guys. So, comment down na lang sa video kung may questions kayo. Okay?